Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into another Friday with your old friend and pal, Sweet Bobby. How are y'all? Oof, had to get a little yawn out there. Wow. We hate Fridays because that means it's 2 days we have to be away from each other. And we don't like that. We like trading, baby. So hopefully before long, we'll have Saturday and Sunday trading and we'll never take a break. So I know you're all
Bobby,
looking for, yes, Ken.
did you hear that Toby Keith is assumed room temperature?
Yeah, it's terrible, isn't it? We've been playing a
Yeah,
couple of his songs this week, and that stomach cancer is a bad thing. So just kind of took him out. He was just a shell of the man that he was. I mean, he was a big old guy, and it's so sad to see what cancer did to him. But anyway,
rest in peace. Yeah.
rest in peace. Yeah, Toby Keith. We even told the story about how he was discovered by Harold Shedd. Harold Shedd is from Georgia. He's from Bremen, Georgia, around in Haralson County. And he discovered him on an airplane. The flight attendant had a tape of his and gave it to Harold Shedd. And Harold was on his way from L.A. to Nashville. As soon as he got to Nashville, he popped it in his tape player in his car and loved it so much. The same day, he flew back out, I think, to Oklahoma to see Toby in a hotel bar performing, and signed him right there. Isn't that something? So, or else we may have never heard the name of Toby Keith. So, great one gone. So, y'all, here we are, up 0.44%. Nobody's trading. Everybody's at the Hamptons. Wow. Look at this, y'all. AD is sliding upward. The VIX is at 12. And just kind of a slow day, baby. Never short a slow market. Never slow a dead market, because that thing can rip and kill you in a heartbeat. So y'all be careful. It looks like she's going up, and away. Let's look at our big green monster. The old big green monster is, see what she's telling us today. So we have gone from overbought to oversold. Oh, behave. This is bullish, y'all. So if you stay oversold long enough, that means we are going up, and away, maybe to the 5064 and eventually to the 5123. Is that possible? But of course, if we don't spend much time here, we'll come back into the overbought area and maybe come back down here. So if it doesn't go up, she's going to go down. So there she is. Let's see what our expected move looks like for next week. Expected move is popping up for next week. So we've got a low next week of 49.66 and a high of 50.76. How did that look on our chart? Where's 50.76? 50.76. Let's see. That would get us up here. 50.76 right about here. But that's on SPX, so, they're a little different. So who knows? Could be bullish for next week. It looks like the expected move for SPX is bullish for next week. So, that's good. All right, so let's trade an account. We have not traded. I traded a little bit in this week because I've been letting it go, because this one I've had to take out $14,000 this year. Oh, be still my heart. Now, why did I get out $14,000? Because I had to pay my lawyer. My attorney. After a deluxe apartment in the sky. Exactly, Dwayne. Oh my gosh. So everybody's in the Hamptons. Nobody's trading. It's just us. Oh, in our Muscadine Mafia session today, we're going to do something neat. Now, I know y'all want to hear from the IRA custodian. We are still trying to get that worked out, that they can custodian my IRA. And the goal is to put it into my hedge fund. So that's what we're going to try to do, but they're scared of futures. So I'm like, I got to assure them that I'm not going to trade futures, and I'm just going to trade XSP, SPY, and SPX. So that's where we're trying to get to. So anyway, we'll see how the fund goes and all that. We'll know. So we're at 72.37. Let's see what we are today in this little account. We don't have hardly no money in this account. The attorneys have wiped it dry. 7,200. Unbelievable. 7,201. Let's see what we got in this account. 7,201. So we're up 0.78% on the year. So I guess we're actually more than that, because the return should come off of whatever this is minus the 14,000. So we're doing really good though, doing good in the account. Let's see what the Greeks and ratios are. If we got any buying power to put up a trade on in this account, may not can. So let's go look at this. But I started the new tranche of the Black Swan hedge. Now, this account, y'all, will ultimately be a Tasty Trade account. I'm moving this account to Tasty Trade. So, I've already sent the paperwork in. So who knows if I can buy or sell anything and they'll do it. But here's my working orders. So I got to remember this. I probably need to write these down. I don't know. Maybe I can remember. We'll see. So let's see what we're doing today. It says we're up 425 on the day. Our deltas are 16 and our thetas are 15. 16, 15. Let's look at that. 16, 15. 16, 15. Boy, my theta's gone down. VIX is in the 12 handle. And let's see our buying power. Got any buying power to put a trade on or not? Our buying power is $4,400. So we're at 61%. Wow. Okay. I don't need to put a trade on here, y'all. That's a little too much buying power. 4,400. So 61%. So we are a little, we're a little good there. So what I want to do, let's go to the mega account. Let's look at it. See if we can do a Sweet Bobby slide in that. Oh, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to see, is the Sweet Bobby slide a trade that we should take, or should we just let our 112s expire? Should we take off that notional risk? We're going to really break that down on the Analyze tab. So that should be good. So we were at 373, 522 yesterday. Let's just do it today, see what we're at. 2, 9, 24. And we are at, let's see, 374,052. 374,052. Oh, yeah, 374,052. Praise the Lord. Now we get to play the Jeffersons. Look at this, y'all. We are up $14,681 on the year. How about that? Isn't that amazing? Seems like a lot to me. But anyway, we're up 3.2% on the year, looking really good. Let's see our Greeks and ratios over here. Let's see. So we got 274, 334, 274, 334, 274, 334. Okay, VIX is at 12. And our buying power, and remember, we gotta click all this out, look at our positions, and we got to see, let's see here, let's do this, let's do this. So our bill is taking up 195,000, and this is 133.5, 133.5. Okay. There we go. We're at 35%. Now, I don't think we've got buying power in this one to do anything, do we? Yeah, that's still not cleared from when I sold that bill the other day, I guess. Still not giving us room for that. Since we're looking at different accounts, let's look at the other accounts, how we're doing over here. So let's do the Tasty Trade account. Today's the 9th, 24th. And over here we are at, let's see, Mega. Let's see, which one is this? Mega. Oh, got so many accounts. Let's see. Bobby's SA account. Yeah. So here we are. How did I get this one checked there? And let's trade that one. There we go. So we're 43,532. 43,532. 43,533, actually. 43,533. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. Wow, y'all, that's just in 2 days. We made $600. Wow. Look, we are up 3.59% on the year. Waka, waka. See what our Greeks and ratios are in this one. Big Daddy's killing it. Look at this, y'all. We're up 4,000 something dollars. We're up $30,000 on the year. Praise the Lord. Thank you. I mean, come on, y'all. This is good stuff. So let's look at this account. Uh, yeah, here we go. Make sure we got the right account here. So in this one, we are at 4148. 4148. Fixes at 12. And our little buying power is, again, we got to take the bill out of it, right? So bill is 31,000 and our ES positions and MES positions is 10,709. 10,709. So we're only at 24% in that one, y'all. I mean, I think, did we put a trade on the 7th? Oh, we don't know because we don't keep up with trades in this account, do we? I think we got to put one on. I mean, we're only using 24% of our buying power. So why don't we do a 2 trancher? You want to? Let's do that. Let's do this one. Make sure we're trading the right account. Let's do a 112 trade. So we're going to go to the trade tab. We're going to trade macros. Macros. God, this is fun. All right. If y'all don't think this is fun, I just don't know what's wrong with you. 132 days. That's closest to 120. So let's put in a put debit spread at about a 25 delta. Let's just do this and this where we already got one. And we'll do 2 of these since we're doing a 2 trancher at 7.25. And fill me, baby. I said fill me, baby. Hold on. Working field. This thing does not update sometimes. There we go. So you got to do that. A little bit of glitches with the old tasty count every now and then. Ta-da! Oh, come on. Everybody's gone to the Hamptons and nobody, or the Tallapoosa River. That's where everybody goes around here. Go to Tallapoosa River or Lake Wedowee in Wedowee, Alabama. I know when y'all see it, y'all probably say Wedowee. It is not Wedowee, it's Wedowee. How do I know? Because I am a Wedowee Indian from way back. No, actually, I'm from the tribe of Arbacuchis. Not to be confused with the Chulafindis. Instead of doing 2 to 50 wise, what do you think of doing 1 time 100 wide? Yeah, I think that's great, Wayne. Yeah, I think that's just fine. I think you should absolutely do that. Now, I can't do it because it's not in my plan. And remember, if it's not in my plan, I can't trade it. But yeah, I think you could definitely do that. I think no problem with that at all. Okay. So we got that in 132 days. So now let's go sell 4 nakeds at a 5 delta. So this is going to be 1650. Oh, wow. Look at this premium we're getting here. So let's try to go 1675. Let's do 4 of those. 3, 4. Since we're not using hardly any buying power. Come on, baby. Come on. Make it less advantageous for us. And 1650. Come here. Ta-da! We are in. I'm using 100% of my buying power usage, which means that I just want to be careful. I don't want to have to pay them margin interest. Now, how do we find that we figured out that we're paying margin interest? We got 1,300 extra. I'm just going to sell like 5 shares of Bill, just for the heck of it. So let's sell 5 of these. I said let's 5 of these, Mark Lawrence. Here we go. Close position. So we got 1,377. So we're going to sell just 5, just to clear up just a little bit, get us a little bit of, hold on a minute, -5. There we go. And review and send. Just give us a little extra cushion there. All right, that's it, y'all. Y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all in Muscadine Mafia. I'll post the link now.